What if I were to tell you that somewhere on the outskirts of Las Vegas, there is a darkened warehouse with 4 haunted houses that you can go to year round? Is this over yet? How long are these mazes? Well, guess what? We are about to experience Universal's Horror Unleashed. I'm also going to show you the Aria Hotel, have dinner at Carbone, and so much more. Let's go. All right, I think that this is for me, right? Is this for me? It's for me. All right, let's go. Welcome to the Aria Hotel here in Las Vegas, my home away from home the next couple days. Now, this hotel opened up in 2009, features over 4,000 guest rooms and suites, 150,000 square foot casino. And you may be wondering, why is it called Aria? When they designed this hotel, they wanted it to be known as the focal point here in City Center in Las Vegas. And much akin to an aria in an opera, it is the focal point right here. So I think you're gonna want to check out the inside. Going inside. And there's also this really cool modern art sculpture piece done by a Japanese artist with all of these LED lights, which I find very cool. I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of something I would see in a Vuitton store. Look how happy he looks. Welcome to my corner tower suite here at the Aria Las Vegas. I have a strip view. I can't wait to also see what this room is going to look at night because, well, yeah, let me just show you. So here we are in the foyer, which is very nicely appointed with this cool art piece. We've got some lamps, and this is the first bathroom. It is the guest bathroom. Very lovely, very well appointed. Nice circular mirror with lighting. Let me give a wave. And if we come out here, we are going to enter. There's a cute little bar area stocked with some waters, some potato chips, and we have a nice little dining area right here. I actually really like this, this light. It's really cool. Now, when this hotel first opened, it was known for its technology. So there are these iPad screens all throughout the room where you can control the lighting, you can order room service, all the good things. And I mean, the view is ridiculous. So, I mean, also look how big this living room is. I mean, you could have a whole dinner party in here. And then if we come over here, this is the bedroom. So you have floor-to-ceiling windows of the Las Vegas Strip. I can see the Nomad, I can see New York, New York, I can see everything from here. I mean, the view is ridiculous from up here. Look at, there's Planet Hollywood. Sam and I saw Britney Spears there. Also, the bed is huge, king bed, obviously. Then if we go over here, there I am. This is the bathroom. Now, wait till you see the view from the tub. There are 2 vanities, 2 sinks right here, double vanities. And also, let's look at the shower. Nice big shower, but you have this incredible tub right here. And you can take a bath, and while you're taking a bath, you can look out at the Strip. All right, it's been a long morning and I still haven't had coffee. So right now we're gonna go get some coffee and some lunch. Now I've heard they've had amazing restaurants in this hotel and some amazing coffee. So let's go find it. All right, I've been told that this place has some good coffee. So let's see what they've got. At the patisserie, they have these incredible pastries that I will be having some tomorrow for sure. All right, I opted to have my signature almond milk latte. Oh, that's good. This lighting, probably not doing me any favors. They even have one of my favorite restaurants in LA, Javier's, here at the Aria. I'm probably gonna have to have a margarita later. I always love looking at slot machines in Las Vegas because they're always themed. And this is a Whitney Houston themed slot machine, which I don't think I've ever seen a Whitney Houston themed slot machine. So that's interesting. That's a first. I was told there is a food hall, so I am going to go try to find this food hall. And tonight's going to be a big dinner, so I might have a little lighter bit of a lunch, probably. Yeah. All right, I am a sucker for a tuna melt, and I was told that Wexler's Deli has the best tuna melts, so I think I'm gonna have to get a tuna melt. All right, so they have a cool way to order here. Everything is done by kiosk, so you do that. I am an MGM. Oh, I don't have a card. I'm gonna start over. Finished. Amazing, and then I just pay here. Look how big it is. It's ginormous. I can taste the Russian dressing, the tomato, the cheddar. It's really mixing beautifully. Also, the grilled rye. Chef's kiss. Cheers. There's actually some really cool landscaping done here in this pool area. And it's pretty massive, I have to say. There's tons of chairs. That's one of the pools. I think my room's up there somewhere. And there is this dope pool bar with a very cool signage. I like the font. A lot of signature cocktails. This is interesting. A watermelon refresher. That sounds kind of good. Tons of seating. Kind of looks like a space station over here. Now this is the pool I will be using very soon, and it looks very inviting. A lot of people lounging, and of course there's a lifeguard, so that's a good thing because I most likely need a lifeguard. A cool thing on each chair there is you can scan this code and they will bring drinks and food right to your chair, which I know is, you know, sometimes when you go to these places it takes a while, but that's pretty useful. Another extremely popular restaurant here at the Aria is Din Tai Fung, which is a dim sum place which is very, very famous. Lots of people love it. You need to make sure you make a reservation, make sure you line up for it, because it does go fast. So if we go inside Din Tai Fung, we can see this is everyone making dim sum. I don't know what they're making, but it looks like it's going to be very tasty. And the restaurant is humongous. You look at it. It goes on and on for days. So again, make sure you make a reservation. So right next to the hotel are the shops at Crystals, which I have been in here before, and it is hands down the most stunning mall, if you could even call it a mall, I've ever been to. And there's tons of also modern art features. I could definitely do some damage in this place. So I'm heading to the tram, then I see there is a James Turrell installation on level 3. All right, I think we're gonna go see that James Turrell installation. So I guess in 2013, James Turrell designed the light here at the tram station. I never knew that a tram station could have a world-renowned modern artist do the lighting scheme, but hey, it's Vegas, so yeah. Oh, and guess what? Here comes our coach. There it is. There she is. Let's go to the Bellagio. All right, so I just arrived into the Bellagio. Now, I am no fan of chocolate. So this isn't for me, however, I'm very impressed by this chocolate fountain that I'm seeing. It's very Willy Wonka-esque. But I gotta show you. Look at this giant chocolate fountain. It's raining chocolate. It's very Willy Wonka. So come to the Bellagio and visit this chocolate fountain amongst this gorgeous, beautiful patisserie. All right, so I have just arrived at the conservatory here in the Bellagio, And it is a 14,000 square foot botanical garden that changes seasonally. It's a huge tourist attraction here in the Bellagio, and rightfully so because it's pretty stunning. So right here we have this 37-foot tall tree and waterfall for autumn set against this person with also a waterfall and all of these stunning plants. Look at this. Oh my God. All right, dinner is served. We are going to Carbone. I have never been, but I have heard a lot about it. It's supposed to be very good. It's from New York. It's Italian. It's expensive. All right, so according to this gentleman, what is this?
It's the best gimlet ever. Vodka gimlet.
All right, there we go. This is what he says. It's the best vodka gimlet. All right, so right now we are having the famous veal parm. I am very excited to bite into this dish. I've heard about it. I've read about it. I think I need to be alone with it. So just let me be. All right, I'm going to wrap up the Carbone experience, which was probably a 20 out of 10. I think that was the best chicken parm I've ever had. The caprese was incredible. The cocktail, I asked them to create the world's best gimlet, and they created the world's best gimlet. The dessert, the bananas, the whole production, the ambience of the restaurant. Carbone knows what the they're doing. It is a rainy day here in Las Vegas, and I don't think I can remember the last time that I was here when it was raining. So I'm back in the room now, going out later to the Universal horror event, but I decided one thing I never do in hotel rooms is take a bath. And the bath here is pretty special. So I think, let's take a bath. But wait, I gotta show you the setup. Here we go. This is our bath setup right here with a view of the Las Vegas Strip. All right, look at that. I put bubbles in it and everything. It's a whole bath situation. I'm just gonna sit in the tub and enjoy the view. Look at her. Oh my. All right, I have stepped inside the world of Universal Horror Unleashed. It's very spooky in here. You saw those dancers when I walked in, and there's really creepy music playing. There's all kinds of sideshow performers, and I think now we are now going into Universal Monsters because I am a glutton for punishment and I want to experience this all again. This actually looks cool. We're in like a monster lair. What? Okay, I feel like I am walking through Frankenstein. No way! Out of here! I literally can't even talk anymore. I've been screaming so much. Okay, let's go into what the whoa, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is like some kind of a weird, what's down there? Wow, okay, I don't know. Look at, there's some guy over here. There's a lot of ropes. This is like some weird S&M thing with, okay, oh wow. Now we're in like an underwater situation, I guess, with seaweed and oh God! Jeez, okay. I feel like I'm in an underwater. Oh, it's Creature from the Black Lagoon. That's what it is. Okay, so we're leaving the Black Lagoon. There's a lovely gentleman up there. Hi, nice to meet you. Yep, he's got a rat. Oh God! What is that? Why am I wet? Why am I wet? I am wet for some reason. Oh, Dracula! Dracula! Look at him! Okay. Let's move. We're moving. Oh, okay. Now we're in ancient Egypt. All of a sudden, we're in ancient Egypt. Oh, I'm in ancient Egypt. Oh. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, there's spiders. Now where are we going? All right, we're leaving ancient Egypt, and we're going into, actually, all right, I really like this. I like this wallpaper. It's good wallpaper. Okay, we're continuing on. Now I don't know where we are. We're in some mirrored, wait, now I don't know. Oh, there's someone in there. I know someone in there. Now we're going into some other place. Oh, God. I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay. This is Frankenstein. I think Frankenstein is going to come alive. Oh, what's going on here? Stay here. We have to stay here. All right, we're staying here. I think something's going to happen there. What's going on? Yeah, he's talking. Do I get... Oh, what is that? I don't know. That was some kind of body part. I think that's a real person. Oh boy, what is this? Oh, here he goes. There he goes. Oh, wow. Oh, he's coming. Oh. All right, go back. All right, let's get out of here. All right, I'm over this. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Okay, we're going. No, we're leaving. Now we're... Oh my gosh. Is this over yet? How long are these mazes? This maze is lasting a decade. How do I get out of here? This way. Oh! Okay. Give me a drink. Give me a drink.
Are you looking to get the queen attention?
Wait, say that again?
Are you looking to get the queen attention?
Yes, I would like the queen's attention.
State your business and I will decide if it's worth her time.
I want to be rich.
Very well, wait here. I will take your request to the queen. It's her decision whether you'll be granted an audience. Wait here. My queen!
I better get rich out of this. Oh, the queen,
The queen has granted you an audience. Choose your work carefully, her time is precious.
Done.
Follow me.
Okay, we're following.
To my queen, give us some respect.
Okay, hi queen.
Salutations. What compels us to seek the queen?
Can you make me rich?
This exchange typically works the other way, my dear. You bring offerings and gifts, and I accept or deny them.
I'm supposed to make you rich.
I'm already rich, my dear. I desire not your mortal trivialities. Yes, you may swear your loyalty to the throne.
All right, I swear my loyalty to the throne.
Your pledge is heard and accepted, despite whatever infernal contraption you're waving in my face.
That is an official wrap on my time here in Las Vegas. I hope you enjoyed me screaming at Universal Horror Unleashed. It is open now. Please go and you will scream your head off. I mean, I'm hoarse from screaming so much. I hope you enjoyed this cool trip also to the Aria Hotel, which I had never been to, and I was very, very impressed. Also, dinner at Carbone was insane. I highly recommend it. Get the veal parm. I was kind of dreaming about it last night. And also, I kept thinking, people keep talking about how tourism is down in Las Vegas. I think those people clearly haven't been to Vegas in a while, because I saw a city over the past 2 days bustling with people and activity and conventions, people in restaurants and bars, and it was really cool to see, and I had such a good time. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for even more content. We have so much coming up. I'm headed to the airport now, gonna meet up with Sam. See ya!